Our project title is Query Processing and Optimization using Set Predicate. This is our first page. We are creating a course reference number for students and staff. Course reference number is a unique identifier assigned to a specific class section at an educational institution. This is the first page. As the login page, we are giving the user ID and password. It goes to the next page. In here, view staff, we have to add our staff details, and this is the view student. Here we have add the student details in the database, and then we have used two approaches. One is bitmap and aggregate. First we have to see bitmap. Bitmap is nothing but bitmap index based approach only needs bitmap indices on individual attributes based on single attribute. Indices the simple data format, and bitmap operation make it convenient to integrate various operations in a query, including dynamic grouping of tuple and set level comparison. Here it has two types. One is multi-predicate set operation and second one is regular aggregate expression. First we see about multi-predicate set operation. In multi-predicate set operation has select, var and set operator. First we have to select the star, then click, then it goes var condition. We have to select the var conditions in ACE technology, and input will be given as 0, then click, then we have to set operator. In set operator condition we have to select the logical operation, that is OR and ACE technology, then input will be as 1, then apply, build. The query will be generated dynamically and the result will be displayed in binary values, and run query, the output will be displayed. Then we go see for regular aggregate expression, same as multi-attribute, regular aggregate expression will be displayed. Then we go for aggregate function. In aggregate function there are four types. One is multi-attribute grouping, second one is multi-attribute set predicate, third one is multi-predicate set operation, fourth one is regular aggregate expression. First we see about multi-attribute grouping. The multi-attribute grouping is, first we have to select the column numbers ID, name, department, then bill. The query will be generated dynamically and text only, and we give the run query, the output will be displayed. Second, we have to select the multi-attribute set predicate. In multi-attribute set predicate has three. One is in, contain, free text, in which determines whether a specified value matches any value in a list. Contains, it is similar to the free text but with a difference that it take one keyword to match with the record, and free text represent is a predicate used to search column containing character based data type. It will not match exact word but the meaning of the word in the search condition. First we have to see about the in. We have to click the set predicate in condition, and we have to choose any one column as star, and var query we have to select as technology, and input will be given as 0, then build, var query as, then the query will be generated dynamically, and run query, the output will be displayed. Then we go for next operation, that is multi-predicate set operation. In multi-predicate set operation has three. One is select, var and set operator. First we have to select, then star, then click, then it goes for var condition. In var condition we have to select as department and input as Java, then click, then we go for set operator. Set operator has logical operators, that is and or not. We have to select or, and we have to select the department, and input will be .NET, then apply, build. The query will be generated dynamically, and we clicking the text only, the output will be displayed, and run query, the captcha will be displayed for security purposes. Likewise the regular aggregate expressions will be, it has over, group by and having. In set predicate we have to select over, and select query we have to select salary. In aggregation has sum, average, minimum, max and count. First we have to see about sum. We sum the salaries and input will be given as click, and captcha will be produced for security purposes. For filling the captcha, and output will be displayed. In multi-attribute set of predicate, aggregate expression built-in, aggregates and aggregate function that are defined by the database server, such as average, sum and count. This aggregate works only with built-in data types such as integer and float. After filling the captcha, the output will be displayed. Thank you.